Amazon Basics forks or IKEA Dragon forks? Let's find out. Right off the bat, you can see that the Amazon Basics fork is significantly bigger than the IKEA Dragon fork. And yes, this is the regular size IKEA Dragon fork, not the dessert fork, but side by side, the Amazon Basics fork makes this look almost like a dessert fork. There's a small detail. You can see that the tines on the Amazon Basics fork are slightly longer than those on the IKEA Dragon fork, which makes a pretty big difference when you're eating things like pasta and noodles. Don't get me wrong, IKEA Dragon is still a really solid silverware set, but it only comes with 4 of each utensil, whereas Amazon's Basics comes with 12 of each. If you were to buy an Amazon Basic set of the forks, knives, and spoons, you could get enough silverware for 12 people for just a little bit more than the entire IKEA Dragon set. Both of these are great forks, but at least with the portion sizes where I live, personally, I would go for the Amazon Basics fork.